Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use ColorZilla in Chrome. The ColorZilla Chrome extension make it easy to pick colors, copy color code, and analyze web page design. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, you can search for ColorZilla. Tap on the extension, then add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin. Now open any colorful website. Like I am searching colors and opening images. Now you can simply tap on the ColorZilla extension and pick color outside like this. Here you will see the color picker panel. It will be copied automatically. You can also search for picked color history, copy special, platelet browser, like pick color from page. Now we can select on this color, then enter. Here you will see color copied to clipboard. You will see in the picked color history there are two colors which we just recently picked. Once again, here you will see yellow one. It's also tell you the color code, color pickle panel. Here you will see hue, saturation, RGB, color code, all the details regarding the color. And that's it. That's how to use the ColorZilla Chrome extension. It's a simple tool that can save time when working with color online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.